and today I will be showing you how to make what's it called, recipes in a jar. And excuse the noise in the background, that's just the washing machine doing its washing things. Check out my kitchen, and soon, if you want, drop a comment below so I can give you a house tour, and click the link in my description to check out where I got this beautiful wig from, and where I sell my things as well. If you would like to know what I sell, check out the end of this video so I can show you. And a giveaway will be coming out pretty soon, so drop them comments and tell me what it should be, and then on the next video watch till the end and yada yada and do that. So click that subscribe button if you like my channel, and if you don't like it, still subscribe. And if you love this video, give me a nice prickly thumbs up. And I change plans, last thing. Oh, and one more thing. Welcome if you're new, because I'm used to talking to my old subscribers. I'm sorry, but welcome. So instead of Tuesdays and Thursdays, I will just post videos twice a week because my school schedule is so crazy and I do a lot, and track and all of that is just really stressful. So twice a week. Without further ado, let's get this video started. First one I will be making is marshmallow coconut brownies. And I got this mason jar from the Dollar Tree. You can get a mason jar from whatever you want. And for now we're just gonna, let's not remove the bottom. So unlid the top, and we're gonna start with the marshmallows. You can use a measuring cup or whatever you would like to measure the marshmallows. I'm just using a measuring cup because that makes my life easier. Take your brownie mix, open it, and we're just gonna put that bad stuff on the top. So I brought you back a scoop, and we're just gonna, maybe this will make it easier. To make my famous marshmallow coconut brownies, of course. I think these will be good in the measuring cup. I don't think they'll do very much harm. Marshmallow on the top, and we're gonna sprinkle a little more just for color wise. And you don't have to if you don't want to, but I want to just because of color. And you want to kind of pack all of it in there just because, and like put a little sprinkle on top. And just put your lids back on, and I will show you Had to decorate it at the end, so stick around for that. And now you have coconut brownie. Coconut marshmallow brownie in a jar. Next one is my famous chocolate cake with chocolate chips and walnuts. Gonna repeat steps 1. What should go at the bottom? We're gonna put some of these bad boys at the, ooh, okay. Some of these bad boys at the bottom. Just a little bit though, because we're gonna layer them back at the top. Chocolate chips. Maybe some more chocolate chips. Who can get enough of chocolate chip? One I will be making today is called the s'more. So you unlid, and let's see a way we can do this without ruining my kitchen. Hey guys, I told you at the beginning of the video I'll be showing you my Mercari shop, and this is my shop. If you would like to see anything featured in these videos that I make, they're all on my shop for sale. I sell like all types of clothes if you're interested. And yeah, I post almost daily, but I do post weekly, and I have things for all ages and sizes. Thank you.